Abhijit
Yes, sir.
and Shiko.
Yes.
Abhijit is one of my old students. It's been almost 4 to 5 months officially. And Shiko joined the English Period Institute 4 or 6 days ago officially. I would like to start with Abhijit. Abhijit, it's been almost 4 to 5 months doing the speaking course. What is your overall experience about the language?
Sir, my overall experience is obviously awesome, and when I joined here, I thought how you are gonna teach and how I get the
Can
environment
you
of there,
can you keep the mic closer?
how much I can get the environment of here, how I can learn by not learning from 20 years. How can I learn now? So after spending time for about 4 to 5 months, I can say I am better than the previous version. Earlier, I used to think in Hindi in my mind before I speak, but now, as you was watching me, that I can speak not much that, but I can speak fluently. So I can clearly see the difference from that time.
Okay, what is the background like? What is the root cause of this situation? If I say it is a kind of dedication that helped you to speak, or there's something else as well.
Yes, sir. Because I'm in. I I already achieved a lot in my career, I can say, but I'm lacking in only speaking language. That is the one thing that is limiting me for getting forward. So I dedicated myself to learn that and improve a lot. Already improved a lot, and it can surely give me ways for success, a way to go forward.
Okay, very good. I introduced one thing at English period, and that is activities
Yes, sir.
session. This is the practical moment.
Yeah.
Do you think we need such kind of session every week?
Yes, sir,
Why or why
definitely.
not?
Yes, sir, definitely. We need this type of activities because we are not going to face the world in alone. We have to face a full of crowd that in the real world. So we need such sessions to get to know about the real situations and handle that smoothly. Like I can say that I can speak more fluent than being in crowd. So
Okay,
that's help us.
okay. I would come back to you.
Yeah.
For now, I would like to ask some question to Shiku.
Yes.
Shiku, first of all, I would like to know about you, who you are,
Yes.
and why you came here.
My name is Sikku Kumar, and I come here for my learning of the English because after
Okay, I would like to stop for a moment. Shiku has only joined 3 to 4 official classes. सो जो ही बोल रहा है आप देखिए कि इसका फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी सेशन है और उसमें कैसे बोल रहा है इट्स ऑल अबाउट द कॉन्फिडेंस सो या प्लीज
yes.
स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच
My name is Sikku Kumar, and I am in my last semester of my MBA, and I
ओके
came here for my improve my communication and confidence level because in my past experiences I feel like I have a low confidence and my communication was not good. So I came here English period to learn some English and
ओके
learn
हैव
my.
यू लर्नड एनीथिंग एट इंग्लिश पीरियड
To be honest, when I'm in my first days and this is my sixth days, so I learn many things like how to start any words, where use of pronouns, why when we ask any questions, which what thing which I ask
ओके
to
यू
him.
मेंशनड द चैप्टर प्रोनाउन मैंने कहा हाय एवरीवन हेलो एवरीवन दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस है व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन सेइंग हाय एवरीवन एंड हेलो एवरीवन
Because sir, in hi everyone and
बडी
hi everybody. I mean when I meet the meet the people first time, we have to say hi everybody.
ओके एवरीबडी इज मोर फॉर्मल ओके
Yes, everybody is most formal.
okay apart from that have you learned any other thing as well.
Yes, sir. Like in last class, we have to learn about the phrasal verb.
Okay, phrasal verbs. What is a phrasal verb?
Basically, sir, phrasal verb start with the verbs and the prepositions and
Verb plus
preposition.
preposition.
Preposition, like we have to sound louder than the verb.
Okay, get on,
get on,
get off.
get off,
Okay, the last topic that I told you, it was phrasal verbs with get.
get.
Can you tell me any two, three, four, five phrasal verbs with
Yes,
the
sir.
same verb?
Like a get off and get on means
Okay, can you explain what these are?
basically, sir, get on means like we have to we have to I got vehicle on
Okay,
6
किसी भी सवारी पे चढ़ना.
चढ़ना like उतर get off means उतरना. Like I got off auto at 6 p.m. I got on auto at 5 p.m.
Very good. Apart from those two
Yes,
phrasal
sir.
verbs, is there any other?
Get around like मैं रांची के आसपास घूम रहा हूँ तो I
Hmm.
got around
I'm getting around.
I'm getting around in Ranchi.
Very good. This is, to be very honest, this is your first activity session.
Yes, sir.
What's your overall experience?
Overall experience was good because I am nervous. I'm little bit nervous before I came here.
You were nervous.
Yes, sir.
And
Well,
how is
and now it's good.
how is the Josh?
Hi, sir.
Hi, okay,
Yes.
very good. Do you believe you will become a better speaker
Yeah, I
after two
believe
or three
in.
months?
I believe I become a good learner or good speaker in my upcoming days.
Very. Would you like to ask some questions to the older one? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Basically, can you know where are you from? Like your brief introduction because we have to meet first time. So
Yeah, we met first time. I'm Abhijit Raj, and I'm from Ranchi itself. And my when I talk about my ancestors' house, it's in Bihar from
yeah,
Shekhpura
yeah,
district,
yeah.
and I'm currently preparing for government jobs. I did my graduation in sociology
Okay,
from Xavier's College, Ranchi, and did my masters in sociology itself from BHU.
okay. Can you share what the reason behind you choose your sociology in your graduation?
Because it's already in my mind since my I can say during my 10th I made up my mind that I'm going for civil services. That's why after uh, 11 I did in 11 and 12 I did in science, but I
Okay,
chose sociology as a background because in civil services the most important and we can say the most important subject is sociology
okay.
itself,
Okay.
so I
Would you
choose
like to
that.
transfer your mic to me?
Yes.
Okay, you have seen him speaking.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What would you like to say about him? He's just a beginner at English period. Have you seen any confidence or something like that?
Yes, sir. I think he's a keen learner and he's already so confident and he's dedicated towards uh, English itself. And I think he's going to be a better than now.
Okay, Shigo, you have seen him speaking in front of me and everyone. What would you like to say about him?
Basically, I talk about his pronunciation of the words. So, in 5 months, he learned many things, and I want to learn many things in my future. And his communication was good, according to me.